Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for tuning in. In this video, I wanted to show you guys the different methods of doing Bohemian style. In previous videos, you've seen that I've actually added the curly hair by braiding it directly into the braids, but today we're going to do another method, which is the crochet method. I try to give my clients a little bit of understanding between the two methods that we have. So when you braid it directly into the braids, the curly hair is synthetic, which means eventually it is going to get a little bit ruffled up and a little bit messy. So if you braid it directly into the braids, it's kind of hard to take them out if you still try to rock your braids. But the crochet method, if you no longer want the curly hair, but you still feel like your braids are still fresh and still want to rock them, you'll be able to take the crochet out without messing up your actual braids. So all I'm doing is I'm taking the curly hair and using the crochet needle, putting it through the braid first, and because there's an actual latch, and you put the little curly hair in between the latch, and you pull the hair not all the way through, but halfway through to create a knot. Put the crochet needle into the braid, add the curly hair into the latch, make sure the latch is closed, pull it through, create a little loop, and add both strands to the loop and give it a tight knot. And again, push the needle through, add the little curly hair into the latch, make sure the latch is closed, pull it through to create a loop. We're not pulling the hair all the way through. Add both strands into the loop, pull, and give it a tight, firm knot. Now this method is a little bit more tedious, but once again, if you still wanted to rock your braids naturally, you'll be able to do so. But I like this method better than to actually braid it into the hair, only because when you braid it into the hair, you know, your fingers get caught into the curly hair, and you know that tends to make it a little bit more messier because you're ruffling it up. So even though this takes a little bit longer, for me this is the best method, the best way to do it. And honestly speaking, I think it's a 2-for-1 combo for the client. Like, the client gets to decide, you know, they'll rock their curly hair one week, and then when it starts to get all messed up, then they could, you know, pull that out and rock their braids regular. And that's a whole total different look. So it's a win-win. If you didn't subscribe yet, thumbs up this video, hit the bell button. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. Please subscribe and please thumbs up the video, hit the bell button, share, do all that good stuff for me. Whenever I'm adding the curly hair and I think I'm done, I always just sit back to make sure there's not one braid that have more than the other, or no spaces out. So I'm just going back over my work to make sure all the hair are evenly distributed. This is the look that she was going for. She didn't want them too thick. And right now I'm just clipping the ends to make sure everything is even. And here we have it, 6 straight backs, bohemian style. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.